Starting seeds at home doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. With a bit of creativity and by reusing everyday materials, you can build a simple and highly effective seed starting system. This approach is perfect if you want to save money, reduce waste, and still grow strong, healthy seedlings for your garden. First, prepare your growing medium. Mix old garden soil with compost and coco peat. The garden soil provides structure and minerals. Compost supplies essential nutrients, and coco peat helps retain moisture while keeping the mix light and airy. Aim for a soft, slightly moist, and crumbly texture so young roots can grow easily. Next, choose a shallow container like a used fruit basket with drainage holes. This works well because it prevents water from collecting and causing root rot. Add an even layer of your soil mix to the bottom, making sure the surface is level. Now place old egg cartons on top of this soil layer. Egg cartons act as natural compartments for seeds and will slowly break down over time. Once positioned, add another layer of soil mix to fill around and lightly cover the cartons so they stay in place. Your DIY seed tray is now ready. Each section of the egg carton becomes an individual planting space. For this example, cucumber seeds are used, but this method works for many vegetables. Place 1 or 2 seeds in each compartment, avoiding overcrowding so each seedling has enough space to develop. Lightly cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil, just enough to protect them and maintain moisture. Then water gently using a spray bottle or light sprinkler to avoid disturbing the soil. The goal is to keep the soil evenly moist, not soggy. Place the basket in a suitable location. A partially shaded area is ideal, especially in warm climates, as strong sunlight can dry out the soil quickly. In cooler weather, keep it in a greenhouse or sheltered warm spot. Consistent warmth and moisture are essential for germination. Over the next few days, monitor moisture levels. Keep the soil slightly damp. Cucumber seeds typically sprout within a week, depending on conditions. As they grow, small green shoots will appear, and within about 3 weeks, you'll have strong, healthy seedlings. At this stage, you can prepare for transplanting. The seedlings should be well established. You might notice minor pest activity, which is normal and usually not harmful if controlled. To transplant, gently lift each seedling with a spoon, including its section of soil and egg carton. Even if the carton has started decomposing, it helps hold the roots together and reduces disturbance. Plant each seedling into your garden bed or larger container. Dig a small hole, place the seedling, cover with soil, and press lightly to support it. Adding mulch around the plant helps retain moisture, control weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Finally, water thoroughly but gently to help the roots settle. Continue regular care, and soon your cucumber plants will grow vigorously, producing healthy vines ready for flowering and fruiting. This simple method proves that you don't need expensive tools to start a thriving garden. By reusing materials like fruit baskets and egg cartons, along with proper soil preparation, you can grow strong seedlings at minimal cost.